US President Joe Biden arrived in London late on Sunday. He kick-started a three-nation tour in Europe that will include meetings with Prime Minister Rishi Sunak and a discussion on climate change with King Charles at Windsor Castle on Monday. The White House had said that the trip was designed to further strengthen the close relationship between the two nations. Reports said that the president will travel to Downing Street on Monday to hold a low-key meeting with Sunak. Sunak's spokesperson said that the discussions would likely include the upcoming NATO summit and Ukraine. Rishi Sunak said that amid new and unprecedented challenges, the alliance between the nations are more important than ever. Sunak said, and I quote, "The UK is Europe's leading NATO ally. We are the United States' most important trade, defense and diplomatic partner, and we are at the forefront of providing Ukraine with the support they need to succeed on the battlefield." Reports suggested that Sunak has gone some way in repairing ties with Biden after the relationship withered under his predecessors Boris Johnson and Liz Truss. The ties were on edge due to their tough stance over a post-Brexit deal with the European Union and Johnson's closer ties to Republican former President Donald Trump. Reports further implied that for Biden, the more high-profile part of the trip will be his meeting with King Charles at Windsor Castle. Notably, Biden also met Queen Elizabeth at Windsor for tea back in 2021. The king will receive Biden in the quadrangle of the castle, where a guard of honor will give a royal salute and the US national anthem will be played. The president and the king are due to discuss climate issues, a subject on which Charles have been advocating for decades now. Reports said that following the meeting, Biden and Sunak will leave Britain for Lithuania, where NATO leaders will gather for a key summit. Biden is then expected to travel to Helsinki for a meeting with Nordic leaders.